How to like notes on Instagram. Hey guys, let's get started. For having the feature of notes, make sure you have the latest version of Instagram. In order to do so, open any of your Play Store or App Store and search for Instagram from the search bar. Make sure to tap on the update button if it is available, or else you are on the latest version. Once this is done, open your Instagram and go to the messages to check for the notes. For this, you just have to tap on someone's note that you see on the top of the inbox or at the top of the profile. Now you can just tap on the note and in the send message section, tap on the heart you'd like to send. This way your reply will be sent as a direct message. Likewise, you can also double tap on the note in order to send or like. However, this is not available in all the devices currently and it has not been rolled out completely. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.